How to share screen in WhatsApp video call. Sharing your screen means to show everything that is going on in your screen. It is a feature that is available in Messenger. So is the same kind of feature available in WhatsApp? Let's find out. The first step is to open up your WhatsApp, and here I have opened up a conversation where I want to screen share. So here I'm going to do a video call. Now make sure that your WhatsApp is fully updated. If it's not, you can head over to your Play Store or App Store to update your app, and you're going to find this icon right here. So tap on this icon, and what that will do is it's going to share your screen. So this is a new feature that has been added on WhatsApp. Tap on continue to share your screen on WhatsApp. As it says here, it is completely private. So once you tap on continue, your screen is now sharing, and it's going to look something like this for the other person. And now if you want to stop sharing your screen, you can tap on stop sharing. So this is how you can share screen on WhatsApp. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.